joined by the PC chairman Sajjad Lone, who just tweeted about that it's really shocking for those people who believe in democracy after what the draft has suggested for the political parties in Jammu and Kashmir, giving proposed 6 seats to Jammu and 1 to Kashmir. I'm joined by Sajjad himself. Sajjad, what made you to tweet that it is a shock for those who believe in democracy?
Yeah, because it has to be on the basis of population. It has to be the same yardstick that you use across India. You know, there is a separatist sentiment in Kashmir. I didn't know it's in India also. That you treat the rest of India with one yardstick and Kashmir with another yardstick. And even within J&K. I can't believe this has been done. And first of all, you hold a delimitation exercise when democracy is suspended. You know, you can't be the judge, the jury, the lawyer, the everything. They can now make a BJP A and BJP B, and so BJP A will be one candidate, BJP B will be other candidate. Because I'm sure no self-respecting person would want to fight.
So do you believe that BJP and National Conference are hand in glove because this time the MPs from the National Conference participated?
I don't, frankly, now, after this, I don't give a bloody damn whether they are in hand in glove or not. Let them go to hell. That's it.
So how do...
The electoral process go to hell. It's a shame, it's a slur on those people who are in graves because they took a bullet for India. I'm talking of Kashmiri Muslims. And this is for the Prime Minister and this is for the Home Minister on your TV. There are at least 20 to 30,000 graves who have taken a bullet for India. And this is how you treat them. You disempower them, disenfranchise them. Shame.
So if they vet this proposal in coming time, so how do you see the politics?
It's a shame, it's a slur. And as I said, they should now fight each other, make 2 A and B teams and put one candidate another. Because no self-respecting person would want to be in political space anymore.
So are you saying that you will not be the part of the political...
I don't think so. I would really want to now enjoy my life and leave.
So are you saying that you will not participate in the elections upcoming if draft goes like this?
I will talk to my party, but this is humiliation. I don't think I want to be in this space now anymore. If this is what they want to do. ये खुद ही सब कुछ खुद ही करना चाहते हैं. Right? They खुद ही सब कुछ करते. This is about generations. You are elected for 5 years. Damn it, you are not elected to rule us for generations and take decisions which will have ramifications over our generations. इनको अंदाजा भी नहीं है कर क्या रहे. हमने यहाँ we have to face people here. कैसे face करेंगे?